Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the controller to your PC, plug in a USB cable for the most reliable path, or pair via Bluetooth if you prefer wireless. Make sure Windows is updated and you're using an administrator account so drivers can install. Once connected, open the Xbox Accessories app only after confirming the controller appears in devices. You do this to ensure the update process can begin cleanly and to avoid interruptions that block firmware flashing. You'll now use the Xbox Accessories app to check firmware. Open the app, it will detect your controller and show an update button if firmware is available. Click Update and follow each prompt. Do not unplug or put the PC to sleep while it installs, because interrupted firmware can brick the controller. If progress seems slow, be patient. The app verifies and applies multiple small stages. Once it finishes, the app confirms success, and your controller restarts automatically. Finish by checking the controller's connection and testing inputs in a game or Windows game controllers panel. You want to verify sticks, triggers, and buttons respond. If the update failed, reconnect via USB and relaunch the Xbox Accessories app to retry, because wired updates are more reliable. If problems persist, uninstall the controller from Device Manager and reinstall drivers or reset Bluetooth pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: always retry the update over a wired USB connection before attempting more invasive fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.